We knew we needed something different. We knew we needed something special.
It's something that's never been done before.
Your angle's going to be like 45.
It wasn't ever going to be about just the logo, or just the colors, or just the design. It was about how all these things affected a group of people that served millions of people.
So logistically, this project was hyper-intensive, multiple work streams, limited time frame, and a lot of variables that were unknown. And it was a first for Africa, it's a first for Absa, and a first for Intel, first for Grid Worldwide as well.
So this is the Intel Shooting Star drone. It's a quadcopter that can produce over 4 billion light combinations. We use these in a fleet to conduct our light show animations across the world.
We kind of pitched an idea of, sort of crazy idea of using 300 drones to sort of unveil the Absa identity.
Musically, I'd love to hold it up, lull, and then
That's it.
whatever, and then back into it.
These kind of things, the more ambitious they are, the more people are willing to actually go the extra mile to achieve it. It meant closing 6 city blocks worth of roads, diverting traffic from OR Tambo.
3, 2, 1, drones are launching.
A sense of awe. To see it is just incredible.
Just pure excitement, pure awe, seeing those drones ascend and descend for the first time. It was always pretty mind-boggling.
The role of this rebrand was about how we fired up 42,000 people to serve millions in a way that would fundamentally shift Absa culture.
On the night in the show, it was just pure excitement.
Absa has set the tone for what we can do across the continent.
On the actual night was phenomenal. People started chanting Absa, and to see somebody chant the name of their company was magic.